not gonna lie, my kids mean more than anything to me, probably more than that. So just because they're all I care about in life, and I want them to succeed. So I do what I do here so I can make them succeed and be successful, I guess the word is, because money is pointless. I hate money, but you have to have money to make the world go round. And let me tell you something. It's easy, everybody be doing it. 2, money might not buy you happiness, but it sure as hell makes things a lot easier.
That's true.
A little vodka and Red Bull. Just joking. No vodka in here. I don't drink and drive. Not usually. But, so I got Mike G with me. He's my, if you ever seen a video put out there, this is my man. He does some badass work. He is originally from he came from the slopes. I grew up with Mike. Me and him have known each other since we were probably 2nd grade. Our families used to go take trips actually together, so he's just more than a friend. He's been a friend, a real friend, not just an acquaintance. So he's been a real friend. We've actually went on vacations and stuff like that. And then, you know, he's back in Wichita working for Big Dog. And you guys ever seen that video I put out there? I didn't put it out there. Mike made it. Me and that Big Dog commercial. That was pretty sick with it. And did you ever post that?
Let's see. So it's posted on the Big Dog stuff, and it's shared to your, like, you've been tagged in it. But I can get you the video file.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'll just make sure it's actually public now.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
People can look it up.
Yep.
Cool. So what would they have to type in? Look it up.
They would just have to go to probably look at your profile or Big Dog's.
Okay. So go to Big Dog. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Hit Big Dog Motorcycles, and somewhere in there's me on it. You go to my page. You're friends with me on Facebook. If you're not friends with me on Facebook, go ahead and click friend. I don't know how many friends you can have on Facebook, but I will go till it exceeds the limit. I think I'm sitting at 2 or 4 right now. I'm a real popular guy.
What led you down this path to get into roofing and doing what you're doing now?
Man, I think what led me down to this path, you know, roofing has been a part of business. I've actually worked for somebody that did roofing once. I did when I was a young kid once, and then, you know, fast forward to that, but, you know, 2013 was a hailstorm that came in here, and a guy named Joe Fonts asked me to. I was actually a guy I knew that worked at a service shop prior to that with me. He came by and said he had this real cool opportunity to make a lot of money. So I said, what the heck, give it a shot. Well, it was roofing. Roofing, hail came in town, so I was good at selling that, so I wanted to go see if I could sell some roofs. And I did real well. I got a trip one to Puerto Rico, but you know, I just never stick to the knack with that because the pay structure on there wasn't enough, you know, and I knew there was more money on the bone, meat on the bone, because I could do math, and I figured, man, that company's really making out money and paying me peanuts. So I really didn't stick with that. So that's why when I hired salespeople in my job, I pay them higher percentage, like 50% wage. I do that because I want them to be successful. I want them to be able to make it. And I want them to keep going, you know.